Hello guys, do you have same problem with cables like me? It's always there on end and then it's easy break cables and then stop working. I have for you a quick tip how to fix your broken cable before it's too late and then you have to buy a new one. Then let's go! What you need for fixing the cable? Heating shrink tube, the size 1.25 inch. Then you need heat gun or the regular lighter. You can buy those in Home Depot or your local hardware store. Also you can choose color wherever you want. And also you need your cable. You can help yourself with a long wood stick. You just put it in and push it through. Let it cool for a little bit. And for my bigger cable I have 3/8 shrink tubing. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like my tip. Also, you don't have to use the shrinking tubing. You can just use electric tape or any other tape, duct tape around it, but I think this is the best way you can go and fix your cable. The shrinking tubing costs around $1. I think is very cheap way. You don't have to buy this heating torch. You can just use a regular lighter. Yeah. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy this tip. Take care.